So we clicked on videos over here. And now we're going to click on financial, the video that we want. So we see this up here. We're not going to worry about what it looks like because we're going to fix that later in Vimeo. So you're going to click on subtitles.
Yep.
All right. Now, there's two things that are happening here. One is this is the one that's existed before I started editing. This is the one that has the edits in it, this video language. So I'm going to go over here to these three buttons all the way on the right. And I'm going to tell it that I want to edit on Classic Studios. So I'm going to click that.
Okay.
And then look what pops up. Whoop. Okay, so now you're going to tell it you want to edit. Okay, and when I click this edit button, what happens is all of this becomes active. Okay, so I just click this close because whatever. You're not, this box right here, Gretch, is if you're adding additional information. We don't want that. We want the automatic transcription that's happening down here. And you can see that I started changing it. Like, I don't think M is capitalized. So I'm not a grammar editor, but I changed Koopa to Kuka. I put her name in, and I just did this first box. So what it does is, so now I'm clicking into the second box, and it'll pop up here. So I'm just going in and changing it as she's talking. Like, I can already see where the problems are, right? I don't actually need to listen to her say this. I'm here with my dear friend and colleague, and I am Marilyn Griffiths. I'm the Click Director of Student Accounts. That's as far as I'm going to go because you get the idea. Okay, it's nice to be here with you. Okay, and wherever the sentences are, just add the end of the punctuation. All right, so you'll see the changes appear over here on the right. You can, let me just try this for the heck of it. No, okay. So you have to hit the play button.
Griffiths, I'm the Director of Student Accounts. It's nice to be here with you all.
And I'm going to kick it off.
Okay, so she says, and I'm going to kick it off. So you go in and you change this to and. So you can pause and go back and forth and listen to what they're saying and then make the changes. So now I'm like, okay, I've got this done. I'm going to publish the edits. So I'm going to hit this publish edits.
Okay.
And then it says, are you going to overwrite these? Yep, I am.
Okay.
And then I'm not going to do anything here. I'm going to return to YouTube Studio.
Okay.
Which will take me right back to this dashboard. That's if you're like, I need a break. I need to, go do something. So I believe that it's exactly the same thing again. So I'm going to just test it and you can watch the process again. So I'm going to go to videos. I'm going to double click into what I want. I'm going to go to subtitles. I'm going to go to the top one all the way to the right. I'm going to click options, edit on Classic Studio, and edit. And it should activate everything. I'm going to close this because we get it.
Yep.
And all my edits are still here. So I can go down to the next level down and start. So hopefully if I click in here, yeah, it's going to take you right to where you are in the video. So you can just hit play.
And I'm going to kick it off with.
So you can hear what she's saying. and then you just work
Yep.
your way all the way through it. Okay?
Okay.
Once you're done, publish the edits. So I'm gonna pretend that we're done, and I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna publish the edits. You're gonna overwrite what you did before because you're adding new stuff. And then you're not gonna touch this. You're gonna go return to YouTube Studio. When you get this and you're done, let me know, and then we'll take the next step, which is exporting all of the closed captioning into a file and adding it to the file in Vimeo. And full disclosure, I don't know how to do that yet, but I know it's possible, so we'll figure that out when we're done.
Sweet.
So do you want to try it while I'm on the phone? Or do
Actually,
you
I
think you got it?
well, I think so.
Awesome. I'm gonna stop
Now that I
recording.
know what